Welcome to DeCubulis Chiropractic and Accident Injury Center with Dr. Mike DeCubulis and Associates, your local Newport Richey, Florida chiropractors. We offer three categories of therapies to relieve your carpal tunnel syndrome. These therapies will help you work pain-free and sleep pain-free, along with all your vital activities involving your hands. Throughout the years, our chiropractic doctors have helped hundreds of patients suffering from carpal tunnel syndrome. The first set of therapies we offer is to relieve your carpal tunnel syndrome pain as fast as possible. Chiropractic physical medicine relieves carpal tunnel syndrome by gently moving and opening the 8 carpal bones in the wrist, whereby relieving the nerve pressure and pain. Our low current therapy blocks your carpal tunnel pain signal by stimulating the same receptors in the brain and spinal cord that are targeted by pain relieving drugs, but without the side effects. Another therapy relieves your carpal tunnel pain by decreasing your median nerve inflammation and dampening the activity of inflammatory proteins called cytokines, which cause pain. Yet another therapy relieves your carpal tunnel pain by stimulating your median nerve cell metabolism use of oxygen, which boosts the analgesic effects. The second set of therapies is applied to reduce muscle spasms in your hand and forearm, which is often a part of carpal tunnel syndrome. Our manual muscle therapy relieves carpal tunnel muscle pain based on the gate theory of pain control, which blocks the pain signals from the muscles and wrist and hands to the brain. The reciprocal inhibition muscle therapy applies a nerve reflex on one side of your wrist joint to relieve tight and contracted muscles on the other side. Another muscle therapy relieves tender trigger points or small patches of knotted muscle within the belly of painful thumb and hand muscles, which often form as a result of carpal tunnel syndrome. The third set of therapies is applied to increase your ability to move your wrist fully and pain-free. Chiropractic physical medicine helps carpal tunnel syndrome and its associated joint mobility, whereby increasing your wrist range of motion and ability to move pain-free. Our active therapies increase the strength in your hand, which decreases the likelihood of your carpal tunnel becoming a permanent injury. The good news is our chiropractic doctors use only safe and effective carpal tunnel therapies. All of our carpal tunnel therapies have been proven to be effective through the years of research, experience, and of course our own patient results. These proven chiropractic therapies focus on relieving your carpal tunnel wrist pain and any associated muscle spasms, so you can get back to your vital daily activities involving the use of your hand, such as cooking, cleaning, laundry, or even yard work. Each carpal tunnel therapy is applied based on the results of your specific history and symptoms, and of course your physical examination findings. All of our therapies our chiropractors use to relieve your carpal tunnel syndrome have been cleared by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. Our chiropractic physical medicine treatments will relieve your carpal tunnel pain, reduce your hand and forearm muscle spasms, and increase your wrist mobility. All of our carpal tunnel therapies are safe, effective, and gentle. In fact, most patients experience carpal tunnel relief for the very first time while on our therapies. On your very first visit, our chiropractic doctors would apply the appropriate therapies to relieve your carpal tunnel pain as fast as possible. Carpal tunnel syndrome commonly results from repetitive motion. Carpal tunnel commonly results from nerve pressure and inflammation on the median nerve, which runs through the 8 carpal bones in your wrist. If you have carpal tunnel median nerve pressure, you may also feel burning, tingling, or numbness, or even weakness in your hand. We understand how carpal tunnel syndrome can be painful and limit your ability to work, sleep, or even get dressed in the morning. The bad news is when physical injuries do not receive physical medicine, they often heal wrong. The leading cause of arthritis in the hand is when injuries do not receive physical medicine and heal wrong. Unfortunately, we often see patients who did not receive physical medicine for their carpal tunnel injury, healed wrong, and now suffer a permanent injury. Chiropractic physical medicine can help your carpal tunnel feel better quickly and decrease your likelihood of surgery or suffering a permanent injury. Years of carpal tunnel research has documented the effectiveness of chiropractic physical medicine in helping patients relieve their median nerve wrist pain and inflammation. The Journal of the American Medical Association released new guidelines that actually encourages chiropractic before surgery. The Physical Medicine Journal documented how chiropractic helps the vast majority of patients with pain and muscle spasms. Our chiropractic doctors are licensed by the state and federal government for the examination, diagnosis, and treatment of carpal tunnel syndrome. You do not need a referral from a medical provider to see our chiropractic doctors. You can call us directly at 727-841-8488. We accept all insurance, including all major medical insurance, auto insurance, workers' compensation insurance, Medicare, and Medicaid insurance. Just give us a call right now and our insurance staff will verify your benefits right over the phone. And that number is 727-841-8488. We make it easy for you to try our proven and effective carpal tunnel syndrome therapies with our $47 new patient special. Now, this $47 new patient special includes 7 parts. And part 1 is a private consultation with one of our chiropractic doctors. Part 2 is a range of motion exam to find out which wrist joints are restricted and painful. Part 3 is our nerve test to determine exactly where the median nerve is pinched or where there's pressure. And part 4 is muscle testing in the wrist and hand to isolate weak and painful or spastic hand muscles. And part 5 are orthopedic tests to determine which carpal bones in your wrist may be pinching your carpal tunnel nerve or the median nerve. Part 6 is one chiropractic treatment, and that is to immediately give you some carpal tunnel pain relief. And part 7 is a bonus bottle of BioFreeze, and that is a really good carpal tunnel natural pain relieving gel. Now, the normal cost for the 7-part $47 new patient special is typically $250. When you pick up the phone and call our office today, the 7-part new patient special is only $47. And of course, that's a savings of over $200. And the reason we offer a $47 new patient special is really to make it easy for you to experience how we can relieve your carpal tunnel syndrome. We feel confident our chiropractic therapies will help your carpal tunnel. All you need to do is call our office right now, really, to find out for yourself. Call 727-841-8488. Now, the $47 new patient special does come with a 2-part guarantee. Now, that part 1 is if you are not 100% satisfied with our services, within 72 hours of your first visit, you will receive a complete refund. And part 2 is there's no waiting. You will see one of our chiropractic doctors within 7 minutes of your scheduled appointment. However, the $47 new patient special is limited to the first 10 new patients that call in any month, and this is simply due to the space restrictions. Be sure to call right now and claim one of the 10 limited $47 new patient specials. We look forward to meeting you and relieving your carpal tunnel syndrome so you really can get back to an active, pain-free life. When you call, be sure to ask our receptionist if we still have available one of the 10 $47 new patient specials. You can see one of our chiropractic doctors right now and start living a pain-free life today at DeCubelis Chiropractic and Accident Injury Center, and that's with Dr. Mike DeCubelis and the associate doctors, your local New Port Richey, Florida chiropractors. And to make that appointment, you can call 727-841-8488.